Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel Error Resolve. Today we're gonna show you how to reset the new Windows 11. Okay, so you may come across that you get many errors in your system, probably related to crash, or you have some problems with your Windows 11. Uh, it's related to your system configuration, or you have installed many unwanted softwares. So the best part is rather than reinstalling Windows, you can reset the system. So resetting means it will go back to the default OS, Windows OS. There are two major options in that. So let's get started with how can we reset the new Windows 11. To reset the system, you can navigate to your Windows icon and type in reset this PC. It's an inbuilt option to reset the Windows. This is common from probably all the Windows environment. So in Windows 11 also it's quite similar. There's no difference. You can navigate to reset this PC, click on reset. You'll get the two options, keep my files, remove everything. It totally depends on you. So if you have your documents, your folders and everything which you like to keep in your system, so you can select the option keep my files. So this will just remove the apps and other settings and it won't affect any of your files. If you feel that you do not want anything and probably go up with a complete reset of the system, removing every files, applications, except the default applications which Windows have, and you may have installed like if you see one application called VMware Horizon Client over here, so you don't want this as well. So you can or any other applications which you have it in your system. So probably you can go up with remove everything. So what I'll do is I'll use the option keep my files so that probably it takes a lesser time to complete. Okay. So here we will get two options, cloud download or local reinstall. So the cloud download will do is it will try to download a new setup, a complete ISO from the server of Windows and then proceed for reinstallation. Your local system also has a Windows reinstall option. So you can choose that because the cloud download will consume around 4 GB of your data. And probably if you it will take couple of hours as well. Depends on your speed of internet that it will take the time to download. Okay. If you choose local reinstall, that's also feasible. This can be done when you do not have the option for internet connectivity at your system. Probably there's a network issue in your system and it's the system is not connecting to network. So you may proceed to, and you have tried to install the drivers as well and it's not working out. So you can proceed to reinstall the Windows. So local reinstall, you can just select that option, reinstall Windows from this device. You can click on next and probably it won't take long. So probably it won't take long, but it will take quite a time for completely reset. And let's it's now starting up preparing for reset and we need to hold on till the reset is completed successfully. So I'll keep posting you, stay tuned with us, and we'll get back once this 100% is completed. So the reset is completed successfully because I have not completely reset the profile. So my account is already present and just the applications probably and the settings are removed. So now it will just start off with the new configuration of my profile and hopefully all my folders and data will be intact. Let's give it few minutes and let this complete. So our system is logged in successfully. You will get a couple of this errors like Edge is not installed, so I'll need to proceed with installation of Edge. Our software is removed, hence the shortcut can be deleted. Rest or probably all the files are in place. Yeah, those file is in place. So that's all for reset of the new Windows 11. Uh, I'll possibly inform you that I can inform you that you can reset the system through remote of through taking a remote of user, but you have to probably guide the user well to in the steps in between. It can take up an hour or something like that, or sometimes 2 hours, depend on the configuration of the system. So my system was a virtual machine, hence it didn't took long time, and it, it's completely reset now. Okay, hope you like this video. Stay tuned to our channel. Please do hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching Error Resolve.